So we're here at Xiangti Avenue. Don't add me with the pronunciation because my Chinese is not that good. Anyway, we're here with Acer and they have a few separate booths here. So this one is the Acerpure. There we have Predator, which we will visit later. So we'll proceed with this one first. Come. So I did drop by to this booth yesterday and this is the Acerpure Pro P3. And this is a very high-end air purifier meant for big public spaces. And it can clean this box of air in about 5 seconds. And yeah, it can clean a much larger area as well since you got 4 different sides of the cube to intake air. And it also has UV cleaning for your air so you can kill bacteria at the same time. As for a quick demonstration, I will have to turn it off first. Then there's one button here for dry ice. Okay, I think that's enough. Then we can turn it on. And you can see the airflow get clean real quick. By the way, come, there's also RGB lights here. There's also RGB light at the top. This is not meant for, you know, gamery looks and whatnot. It's actually to tell you the quality of the air through this RGB light. So red color means that the air quality is not that good, so it is purifying right now. The number at the top is to tell you the, I think it's the particulate matters. So yeah, this is a very high-end air purifier by Acerpure. So right here we have the air purifiers, the not so high-end ones, but the interesting thing about this is the Acerpure Vero version, which is actually more or less the same as the idea of their Vero laptops as well. So this is made out of recycled plastic, is that correct? Yes, recycled plastic. So there are some differences. So this one has app connectivity and also a screen to tell you what's going on. But this one is much simpler, so you just turn it on, set it to auto, which is more or less the same performance as this thing in smart mode as well. So technically, you just turn it on, forget about it, and then it will clean the air for you. Good enough. From what I've been told, that one at the far corner there is the previous generation, whereby this two is the new generation. Now, it is a stand fan after all, but it is convertible. So I did a demo yesterday, and how you do it is by using this tube, extension tube here. You can hide it. Then I think you can just plug it out. I'm not sure how you can plug it out, but you can extend the whole thing to become like this. So you can convert it from a table fan into a stand fan easily. And of course, remote control for easy controls. And now for water purifiers. Yes, Acerpure is moving to water purifiers as well. This one you will put on top of your kitchen countertop, assuming that you're gonna place it there. And this one is gonna be below your basin, so all of the water will come out from your tap as well. So this water purifier here actually has a tank behind, so you fill in whatever water that you want and then you press this button to, of course, you know, drink your filtered water and whatnot. You do have quite a lot of settings as well, including temperature setting, down to 10 degrees Celsius if I'm not wrong. And this thing is pipeless, so it is completely untethered from the wall. You can take it wherever you want, place it wherever you want. Just remember that you need to fill in your water before you start filtering water to drink, because pipeless. Now at the Predator booth here, this particular monitor here is very interesting to me because it is the Predator X45. It is a 45.5-inch OLED screen, very beautiful 800R curvature, 1440p resolution in 21:9 aspect ratio, so you get 3440 by 1440 pixels and 240 Hz refresh rate. And as you can see in this B-roll here, Mr. John enjoying his driving experience. And overall, this monitor here is a very high-end one. It even has USB Type-C with 90 watts of USB PD output, so you can connect your laptop to use this monitor as well. Now, if you don't want such a big monitor, then you can get the Predator X27U as well. So this is a 27-inch OLED screen as well, 1440p resolution, 16:9 aspect ratio, and at 240 Hz refresh rate. Now, one particularly interesting thing is that, of course, you've got the USB Type-C, 90 watts as well, so you can connect a laptop to use with it. And you also have 2 USB ports to be used, so you can connect your keyboard and mouse and whatnot. Then when you switch between devices, it's a lot easier. It doesn't have a KVM, but it is still convenient to have USB ports. And now we're here at the other stop for Acer, they literally just booked the entire venue here. This is a very busy street, by the way. And right here we have e-bikes instead and scooters. Is scooters, right? They do have scooters, so let's take a look. Starting off, this is the Predator Extreme. I'm not sure what this is. It looks like a bike, but it's not supposed to be sit on. And you just stand on those two pedals here. Then you got your typical brakes. Kind of looks like a bike, but again, not really a bike. And it says here that you can go up to 16% slope. Not sure how that's calculated, but you can go up some slopes. And this one here is the Acer e-bike without the KE. So it is a very sleek design, and it can function like a normal bicycle, but you can also attach a battery, and then you can make use of all of those features where it can ease your cycling efforts and whatnot. You know, when the electric motor starts to kick in, and then it will help you go up slope, conserve your energy instead, and use the battery's energy. And this one here is the Acer e-Connect, and it's a rather fancy one. So you are the power generator for your phone charger. So as you can see here, you're cycling. You can technically work on this desk as well while cycling, so that's healthy in a way. And they also connected a cable here, so you can charge your phone while you're cycling. And the power is generated by you, so nothing is wasted. And are you charging your phone now? Cycle faster, then you get more power. Hey, there's charging. So technically that's how it works. And lastly, we have the Acer ES Series 3. Of course, this is something that you can stand on and ride in. And then you can, I think you can fold the top part back in to make it more compact, so you can bring it to LRT stations, your train stations and whatnot. So last mile traveling to all of your places is actually real convenient to have such a thing. Convenient stuff. The price is 15,990 NTD. Not sure how much is that in Malaysian ringgit, but it's not available in Malaysia anyway, so don't think about it. And that is all for our coverage for Acer's booth here in Computex 2023. Technically, it's not a booth, it's their venue. They did the same for Computex 2019 as well, and this entire street is just Acer everywhere. Do subscribe for more coverage, and yeah, there's more coming soon.